Good Thursday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Joe Vyzourk visiting once again with meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, as well as America's weather streaming channel. Chris, checking around the tri-state region this morning, most places didn't even see freezing temperatures last night.
No, Joe, we got temperatures here to start off the morning pretty much. There are a few monitors out there in northeastern Colorado that have gone below 32, but most of them are in that 34, 35 degree range, all the way from Denver to the local area. You get to the east of us a little bit, Hill City and Hayes, and they're 40 degrees all the way to 45 degrees in Hutchinson and Wichita. All of us are on the backside of that low pressure system that moved through in cold front yesterday. It's now moving into the Ohio Valley, upper Midwest, and then we'll be moving off the East Coast there tomorrow. Shower and thunderstorm activity in those areas, could have a little bit of snow in the New England states, but this has been pretty mild, this system. Out here behind it, like you said, our lows did not go below freezing. Today we'll see cooler temperatures. They'll be in the middle 50s. Tomorrow they'll be in the upper 50s. Lows will go below freezing into the upper 20s here the next couple of nights, but that's still above normal for this time of year. And then as we head towards the weekend, we'll see high pressure develop back over the Rockies. Our winds will turn to the west after being a bit breezy here today and tomorrow. Those northwest winds will be 10 to 20 miles per hour today, 15 to 25 tomorrow. And then those west winds on the weekend will be, again, a little bit breezy. So we could have some fire weather concerns as those temperatures start to warm up, the upper 60s, low 70s over the weekend. So it'll be a nice weekend, even though it's a bit breezy with those winds. Overnight lows will go above freezing. And then we're looking at a storm system and trough that'll arrive on Monday night, Tuesday into Wednesday morning. Right now, it looks like Monday, the south winds will get pretty gusty. We're looking at 30 miles per hour or more. That'll push the afternoon temperatures into the middle 70s, which possibly could break some records. The good one has kind of a low record that's pretty old. It's in the 1800s, but it's only 71 degrees. You get here to Atwood, we're at 75, Colby's at 77, and McCook is up there in the around 80. So those are newer records, but the possibility is there of record temperatures on Monday. And then we got a 40-degree turnaround with that low pressure that will come through on Tuesday. We'll see temperatures on Tuesday in the mid-50s, dropping into the lower 20s, upper teens for lows, and that high there on Wednesday will only be in the lower to mid-30s. So that's a big temperature change, and with that comes more winds. It's showing those south winds turning to the north there on Tuesday, gusting 50 miles per hour, and we also got some snow potential during the day, or for more towards the late afternoon, evening there on Tuesday. It could give us 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 inches of that accumulating snow, and kind of be similar to the storm systems we've seen this winter, where we pick up those type of amounts, but we have plenty of wind to deal with and blowing that stuff around.
Chris, do you forecast this will be a wet snow or more of a dry type of snow event?
We got that sharp temperature drop. It does look like if it's coming at that evening time frame, those temperatures will be in that 30 to 35 degree range. So we should have some pretty decent moisture with it. We could pick up 30, 40, 50 hundredths of moisture. Right now, we're sitting for the month of February at around 80 hundredths to an inch. That's about twice normal. And if we add this activity on top of that, we'll finish January and February with above normal precipitation.
Once again, that's meteorologist Chris Sramek at Decision Weather in Atwood, Kansas, as well as America's weather streaming channel, joining us this morning here on KYVZ. I'm Joe Vyzourk.